Okay, let's try to solve this problem. This is a very easy problem. So it's saying that if x and y are positive integers, so it's x and y is positive integers, and 2x minus 4y is equal to 3. It is given. Okay, so let's where you are asking that the value of this, find out this problem. So all we know that this 6 is equal to 16 is equal to 4 square, and this one 256 is equal to 4 to the power 4. Okay, so if you don't know, so it's give us this number. Okay, so let's try to put this values. Actually this means 4 square actually 2x. Okay, so it's into here 2 dot x actually 2x. Okay, so now this one 4 to the power 4, this one 4 to the power 4, and y. Okay, so this the thing we get from this. Okay, now if it is after solutions, it gives us 4 to the power 2x minus 4y. Okay, now it gives us, now we know the value it is given here, that is 3. Okay, so simple. Now put the value over here. This is 4 to the power 3, that is 64. Okay, so right answer is 64. So value of this is equal to 64 according to this questions. Okay, thank you. This is